welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see months and days in German. So first we'll see all the months, how they pronounce and what is the spelling. So we'll start with January. So for January it is Januar. It is Januar. But J is pronounced as J in a German. So it is Januar. Then for February it is February. Just here, if you see Y is missing, so we'll pronounce it as February and not February. Okay, then comes March. For March, it is März. Now, if you see, there are two dots above A in März. So it is, whenever there are two dots above A, it is pronounced as A and not A or A. It is A. So it is März and not March. In my other video called German alphabets, I have explained it in detail. You can go through it. So it is März. For April, it is April. Now, if you see, the spelling is exactly the same as in English. But we'll pronounce it as April because A is pronounced as A in German. So it is April. For May, it is Mai, M-A-I. It is Mai. Then for June, again the same case as January. It is Juni, J-U-N-I, because J is pronounced as Y and not J. So it is pronounced as Juni and not Juni. Okay, now comes July. For July, it is Yuli. Okay, J-U-L-I, they will pronounce it as Yuli. Okay, now for August, if you see, the spelling is exactly the same as in English, but the pronunciation is different. It is pronounced as August and not August, it is pronounced as August. Okay, now for September, it is September. The spelling is exactly the same, but we'll pronounce it as September in German. Okay, then comes October. In October only, instead of C, there is a K. It is pronounced as in same way as K, but it is not October, it is October in German because O is pronounced as O in German language. So it is October, not October. November, it is the same, November. Okay, now December, we'll pronounce it as December, December, because there is a Z instead of C. In December, it is December. Okay, now months are over. Now we'll see all the days from Monday to Sunday. Okay, we'll start from the beginning of the week, Monday. It is called as Montag in German, Montag. Because Tag is day, so it is similar, Monday, Montag. So Monday is Montag. Then comes Tuesday. Tuesday is little bit different. Tag is same, but the first four letters are Deans, Deans, D-I-E-N-S. So whenever I-E, that combination comes, I-E combination, it is always E. So it is Dienstag. It is like double E, the long E, Dienstag. Then for Wednesday, it is Mittwoch. It is like middle of the week. If you see the literal meaning, it is middle of the week is Mittwoch. Okay is week. That we'll see it later. And middle is middle. So it is Mittwoch for Wednesday. Then comes Thursday. For Thursday, it is Donnerstag. D-O-N-N-E-R-S-T-A-G. Tag is day. Again, the same thing. Here it is Donnerstag. For Friday, it is Freitag. F-R-E-I-T-A-G. So first, we have seen in Dienstag, there is a combination I-E. So it is pronounced as E. And here in Freitag, the combination is reversed. Now it is EI. So it is I. It is pronounced as I. So it is Freitag for Friday. Then comes Saturday. For Saturday, it is Samstag. S-A-M-S-T-H. T-H is again the same thing. So it is Samstag. For Sunday, it is Sonntag. S-O-N-N-T-H. Okay, it is Sonntag and not Sonntag, because it is just like Samstag, Sonntag, like that. So today we had seen months and days in German language. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.